Real Italian limoncello is surprisingly easy to make at home. Just fragrant lemon zest, alcohol, sugar, water, and a little bit of patience. Easy! I am Flavia Diamante and today I'll show you how to make a perfect artisan limoncello at home. And don't forget to check our masterclass where I'll do a deep dive on how to make this limoncello and I'll go into details on every single step that we're going to see today. First ingredient, the lemons, of course. Your lemon must be organic. This is important. This is non-negotiable. Of course, we're going to use the skin of these guys. For our recipe, we're going to need 100 grams of lemon peel, not less, maybe a touch more if you have, which maybe will be equivalent to have 8 to 10 lemons, depending on the size. I'm going to weigh the zest directly inside a jar I'm going to use for the maceration, the extraction process. Choose glass with a tight seal and a volume of roughly a liter. The second ingredient is the alcohol. For the alcohol, ideally, we need over 90% ABV. It's more efficient in extracting and trapping the essential oils from the lemon peel. The extraction can be done in as little as 3 days with close to pure alcohol. That doesn't mean necessarily that we're going to do our extraction in 3 days, because I believe that there are some notes that are a little bit harder to extract from the lemon, so I think I'm going to stick with 5 to 7 days anyway. That is if you use pure alcohol. Here we are, after 7 days, and look how bright yellow the solution is. I'm gonna get inebriated right away. Now we filter our extract. Notice how crystal clear our solution is at the present. That is going to change when I'm going to add the sugar solution to it. Then the limoncello will acquire its natural turbid finish. By the way, I'm not going to use the whole amount of limoncello extract. We want a final 32% ABV in our limoncello. Time to prepare our sugar solution. 270 grams of sugar and 517 grams of water. Measure water by grams. It's much more precise than by volume. Heat it up. It doesn't have to boil. Just make sure the sugar is fully dissolved. In my case, at around 50 Celsius, it's all done. Great. Now I'm going to let it cool before adding it to the limoncello extract. And here is the transformation. As soon as you add the water-sugar solution, our extract will change in color and opacity. The end result is the sought-after bright yellow turbid solution, typical of a true artisan limoncello. Let's bottle this out now. The total volume should be exactly 1 liter, 32% alcohol, 25 Brix equivalent of sugar, and a ton of flavor. There is you, baby. Now hold your horses. You can't drink it right away. It needs to refine inside the bottle for 3 weeks at room temperature before serving it to fully mature and integrate all those aromas. Finally, you put your beautiful bottle inside of the freezer and then you take it and sip it with your friends and family. So refreshing. Do it at home, make it yours, and let me know in the comments what you think about this Italian artisan limoncello.